this Diecast channel, and in this video I'm going to show you this 1970 Dodge Challenger TA. And if you like American muscle cars, this video is especially for you, so please don't forget to watch it until its end, and also don't forget to give me a thumbs up and to subscribe my channel. So let's unbox it and take a better look at it. Okay, we've got the Challenger TA unboxed. One thing I like about those Highway 61 cars is the way the cars are made. They're very nice diecast cars to have in a collection. This Challenger TA, if you've noticed when I showed it in the box, there was this Grand Spalding Dodge and Mr. Norm. Well, Grand Spalding Dodge was a Chrysler dealer, and Mr. Norm was famous for several projects, among which the Dodge Dart GSS. But I'm going to show the Dodge Dart GSS in another video. So now let's take a better look at this Challenger. One thing that's very nice about Highway 61 is the way they make details. As we can see, the headlights and the blinkers are very realistic. The bumper is very realistic. The trim is very correct and realistic as well. We see no misalignment, we see no failure, we see no flaws, nothing really. This car has got the clamps that hold the hood down, and I've taken them off already so we can take a better look at the engine. This plastic hood, which simulates a fiberglass hood. This is a 346 back, so as we pop the hood open, we can see it's very rich in details. The engine bay is perfect. The cables, wires, battery cables, alternator, brake system, panographic hinges with coil springs, air filter, valve covers, reservoirs, factory stickers. Everything in this car is beyond perfection. We can see that this grill mash, the Challenger badge, is really perfect. So there's nothing really I could say that was not very well made in this car. So let's put the clamps back in the car, stick them here, push them back carefully. The right one, push it back here, and once they clip, as we can see, they're very proportional and pretty much correct. The only thing I would improve in this car, if possible, is to put some wires here to hold them hanging when they are off, just like in a real car, but I don't know if I'm going to do that anyway. The trim is correct. It's made with a sort of a chrome decal. It's chrome actually, it's not silver. Windows are perfect. That's a good thing about good brands such as Highway 61. They don't miss any detail, they don't miss anything really. The interior, which is all made in black, seats that tilt just like in a real car. They actually adjust. We can see the rubber rugs and the carpet, door panels, mirrors, everything is made with perfection. Glove compartment, which actually opens, as we can see here. Open and close correctly. Headliner, steering wheel, all gauges, stick shift handle, it's a foreign floor. TA stripes, which are correctly aligned in the correct color. The mufflers, rally wheels, which are perfect. The antenna. The spoiler here is a little detached, so I'm going to use some silicone glue to put it back together. It's no big deal. It's pretty easy to fix. Trunk lid opens and closes correctly. You can see the spare tire jack and the gas pipe. Rubber mat. So everything here is perfect. The trunk lock right here. The tail lights and rear bumper, which are very realistic as well. Vinyl roof, which is actually a flat white painting, but would be a flat white vinyl. Driver's side, steering wheel, which steers with the wheels. The gauges, which are made with stickers, but they are perfect stickers, so you can really tell they are very well made. All details, no detail was missed in this car anyway. The pedals, which are correct. And the bottom of the car, just like in the other Mopars we've seen before, we have body color and primer color right here in the center. Well, correct color for the engine that would be the Hemi orange, the starter, steering system, torsion bars, suspension, front suspension, the rear suspension, the drive shaft, which moves with the wheels, the mufflers, which have this configuration for Dodge Challenger TA, and TH stands for Trans Am. Brake system, so no details were missed at all. This car is really made with very high quality. The trim around the wheel wells, which is correct. Blinkers, both rear and front. So I would say this car is a very desirable piece for a die-cast muscle car collection. And from 0 to 10, I would give it a 10. I'd like to thank you for all views, for all likes and comments. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, to leave your likes and comments below, to click the bell for news, and stay tuned for the next videos that are about to come. I thank you. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.